Hey guys, Andrew again from Alright Solutions. Where we left off was we were creating the JSON string from the data table. If there's no results, just pass back to the client. There's no results found. So once we've populated the data table here, we need to return that. Return make JSON from the table. We need we'll go with square brackets on this one, and pass in the data table that we created above, and that's it. So that's the data access layer finished. We need to now so we need to create an instance of the data layer. So data equals new dal, and we need to pass in the connection string. So we need to get that from the settings. So yeah, we can do that there. Settings dot default dot connection string. Yeah, that's it. And then we pass in the con string like that. And then we can do if you want, you can just have a string like this, equals data dot get application names. We need to pass in the application types that we created before, which we called app. So we're passing in the app, which is the app name. Run the SQL select excuse me, on the application name. So if we do find any data on that, then make a JSON table of that, pass that back, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, we need to write the response back, don't we? So with the result. Okay, so I think we're all done on that one. Oh no, sorry. When the request is coming in, we need to put that in, don't we? So we need to fetch applications and then pass in the context, the HTTP context. Again, you can do all that in there, but it just breaks it down. If you want to test the web service without using a client, what we can do is we can just do a write response here. So when you browse to the URL to your web browser, we can just write a response just so we know that it's working. So I don't know. Right, all done. So now what we need to do is we need to build the solution. Make sure there's no errors. Right, we're done. Excuse me. Alright, so if we just browse to this location, you can set up, obviously you probably know this already, the location of where the DLLs are published to. I've been a bit lazy and they're in the debug folder within here, so what we need to do now is, I'll cover this in the next tutorial, but we need to now create the web config file that's going to sit on your web server. We need to copy these 3 DLLs that we've created over to the web server, and then we need to reference the handler within the web config file. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Cheers.